You won't believe how far we went to save this tiny snail from extinction. The Desertas island land snail was thought to be extinct for almost 100 years, until conservationists rediscovered tiny populations left in the wild, including just 21 of the species Geomitra coronula.
There were no records whatsoever for this species for the last 150 years. During that period, we were able to find a single population for each species. And what we found was the population was not growing. We were on a situation of what we call a bottleneck. What we decided at that point that we needed to do something. So we decided to assemble a project to rescue this species.
That's when we stepped in. Chester Zoo was asked by the Madeiran government to help boost numbers and save the species. The pressure was enormous because at the time we didn't know how to breed them and we didn't even know what they ate. We quite literally held the future of these snails in our hands. The team managed to create the perfect conditions for the snails to thrive and successfully breed the species for the first time ever in human care. But now came the next challenge, returning them to the wild. The Desertas Islands are remote, rugged, and difficult to access. High winds, rough seas, and frequent landslides meant the team had a short window of opportunity to complete the rescue mission. Hundreds of snails were counted and marked with a special UV polish to help conservationists monitor them once back in Madeira. They were then carefully packed and carried by the team across the Atlantic and up to the very top of Bugio Island, where they were finally reintroduced to the wild.
All the little dots there, what you see, just fresh released a couple of minutes ago. Geomitra coronula, we've had in Chester Zoo, and now they are back in the wild. So the trip got to be much shorter than what we expected, but the main goal is done, so the snails are back, which is amazing. I'm pretty sure all my colleagues will be super happy to hear it. They've done their job and they succeeded with something extraordinary, very unique.
These snails may be smaller than your fingernail, but they play a vital role in helping to rebuild an entire ecosystem.
So snails are really important because they are endemic species. They have that value in terms of biodiversity. These species are also playing a really important role in the ecosystem because they are revolving the earth and they are helping to get more oxygen around the soil. I think with these tiny but very resilient species.
Today, whole populations bred here at Chester Zoo are back on the Desertas Islands, helping turn a handful of snails into a future for an entire species. They're proof that conservation isn't measured by the size of the species, but by the difference they make.